caos Dionysus, Hera, Hermes, Icarus, Narcissus, Medusa, Eposos, Ashalalala, Susus, Minerva, Ecopus, I love it when you couscous. Aphrodite, Ventus, Caos, Dionysus, Hera, Hermes, Icarus, Narcissus, Medusa, Eposos, Ashalalala, Susus, Minerva, Ecopus, I love it when you couscous. Love it when you couscous. Love it when you couscous. 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 Love it. 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 I love it when you couscous. Love it. 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 I love it when you couscous. Love it. Love. I love it. I love it. I love it when you love it. Love. Love it. Love. I love it when you couscous. Love it. Love. I love it. Love. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I love it when you couscous. Ventus, Caos, Dionysus, Hera, Hermes, Icarus, Narcissus, Medusa, Eposos, Ashalalala, Susus, Minerva, Ecopus, I love it when you couscous. Aphrodite, Ventus, Caos, Dionysus, Hera, Hermes, Icarus, Narcissus, Medusa, Eposos, Ashalalala, Susus, Minerva, Ecopus, I love it when you couscous. Couscous. Love it when you couscous. Love it when you couscous. 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 Love it. 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 I love it when you couscous. Love it. 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 I love it when you couscous. Love it. Love. I love it. I love it. I love it when you love it. Love. Love. I love it when you couscous. Love it. Love. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I love it when you couscous.
Okay guys, so I finished the makeup look and I did do my base over because I fucked up I used something different for my freckles, it didn't work, so I stuck to my regular thing. But my eye has been watering in the corner this whole time and it's completely rubbed off, so it doesn't look like this anymore. And I can't fix it, one, because I'm about to go into Bed Bath & Beyond, and two, because it won't stop watering. Like usually the insides of my eyes water, but not like out here. Like I have really watery eyes, but I'm kind of pissed because that looks bad. I'm very upset. But anyway, here's my little, like, girly look today. I really like the cut crease that I did. Actually, I usually can't get a cut crease to look very good, but I went extra today, and actually it's good. So maybe I'll start doing my cut creases like this. I think I have such small eyes that doing a big cut crease doesn't look crazy on me. So anyway, also here's my outfit. She's looking cute. Hey, so like, did y'all just see that? Like, should I play it again? Should I play it again? Let me play it again. Hold up a minute. Alright, so I have to give a shout out to my girl Darian. She made this amazing intro for me. I love it so much. It's literally everything I asked for, 100% my vibe. Yellow, orange, like the music's pumping, the animation's great. I love it so much. I am so thankful to you, Darian, and all the work that you did for me. So thank you so much for giving me such an amazing intro. Now back to the video. So I was just in Bed Bath & Beyond for like 45 minutes and my eye is messed. Like, that's how bad it's been watering. It's been watering nonstop for the past like probably almost hour now, because driving here and then getting in. And I'm really upset because this eye looks so good. Like, it looks so good besides my eye won't stop watering, and I want to take photos. I actually should work out and take this off, but I really want to take photos. But I can't with my eye watering, so I don't know what to do. These are such first world problems, but like, I spent a long time on this look. I'm proud on this look. I also, like, I'm gonna put you guys down for a minute. I don't know if it's different in New York than it is here, but I feel like this Bed Bath & Beyond was like super expensive. Actually, not a lot of my lipstick got on. It's a little messed up, but not bad. But yeah, my eye's just been watering this whole time. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I feel like this Bed Bath & Beyond was like, oh shh. Oh wait, no, was that just the lighting? Wait, what is that? Is that for my mask? Oh, that's for my mask. That either might go away or I might have to blend it out. I'm not sure yet. Dang. I really want to take pictures though. That looks so like, you can see the line from my mask. Oh my god. That's not happened before yet. Oh, I'm so mad about this. So mad. Just wait for the planes to go by. It's fine. I feel like this lighting sucks. Let me fix it. Is she better? A little bit. So, I know this isn't a vlog, but I feel like I'm turning this makeup video into a vlog because I'm just so mad. My eye is forming tears. Like, why? This eye looks so nice. I've decided that instead of taking pictures today and trying to figure this out, because when my eyes water, they water. Like, sometimes for like a week straight. Hopefully that won't last this long. Usually when I wake up the next morning, they're fine. But if they start watering, like in the morning, they will continue to water throughout the day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off, you know, I'm going to do some productive things instead of like look cute and do nothing and try to keep my makeup intact. I'm going to actually do productive things. I'm going to sing, work out, and bake. And then tomorrow I'm actually going out with my friend. So I'm going to try to do this look again and pretty much just wear this again because I literally was out like, I left the house at like 6:30 and 7:30. Yeah, so like I've been wearing this for like an hour and a half tops. Like, it's not dirty. So like, and especially if I'm wearing it out, like, so anyway, so I'm gonna wear this outfit again tomorrow. I'm doing my hair like this, I'm gonna do my makeup like this, I'm gonna take pictures. I decided that is what the universe wants for me right now, because this ain't it. What is this? What is this? What is this? Also, the mask just like got rid of all the foundation. So yeah, we're gonna be productive, but I figured since this kind of turned into a little bit of a vlog or something. I don't really know. I'm just gonna, she's gonna get a Bed Bath & Beyond, which isn't a lot because I literally just went there for a few things. But I got a key, first of all. I got a second key for the apartment because that's been desperately needed. Then I went to Trader Joe's and got potatoes because the potatoes that I got the other day were rotten and I didn't notice it. So I went to get new ones, dish soap. And then I got these hand soaps. Super boring, I know, but I got peony plum, peony? I think that's a kind of flower or something. Peony plum, and then vanilla rose. They're super girly, but they were the ones on sale, so I got them, and they're really cute. I thought they were the cutest. So I think I'm feeling like girly vibes today. What do y'all think? Like, do I look like a girl for once today? I really went girly today. I don't really know why, but anyway, I got these super cute. So one for the kitchen, one for the bathroom. And then I got this Skinny Syrups, 0 calories, 0 sugar. I am trying to do like a low sugar diet. So like the first thing that like I thought it was coffee because coffee creamer has sugar in it. So I got a 0 sugar coconut creamer and it's good. It doesn't get out the bitterness of my coffee that I hate. So I decided to get just something to sweeten it a little bit because usually I'll get like a vanilla creamer or something like that, which has sugar in it. So I just got a vanilla almond flavoring with 0 sugar to put in, and then I'll add the milk. So basically the same as if I got a vanilla creamer, which I usually get just without the sugar. And then this nice lady wrapped it for me. But I got this. It's technically a ceramic spoon rest. Actually, this could be really helpful when I'm cooking something like this, but I'm not going to use it for that. I thought it was cool. I've been looking for a, like, key holder kind of thing to put, like, the keys in. I don't know how else to describe that. So anyway, I got this to put, like, our keys in because we have a table, like, a little table right out, like, right before our doorway. I don't know why I'm describing this so weirdly. Whatever. Anyway, so just to put our keys in, I found another one that was cuter, but I thought it was a bit too small. And then all the other ones were literally like $15. And I was like, why would I buy a tiny dish that I'm putting my keys in for $15? Like, this was still $6. Why? Tell me. Like, this should be like $3. I don't get it, but whatever. I'm you know, whatever. So I thought this one was cute. And it will match with, like, every season because, like, it's Halloween right now. So, like, I didn't want to get one that wouldn't match my Halloween stuff. So this will match Halloween. And then I basically match anything. It's black. And it's not too girly for Alex. So, they're definitely not the best quality, though. Like, I think this was the best one I could find. But they all had little, like, scrapes in them and stuff, which is really annoying. But this one only has one little, you guys even see it? One little divot in it. So, I found the best one. Yeah, that's what I got. Still super mad at this. Let me know if you guys also, like, have those days. Let me know if you guys ever have those days where your eyes just won't stop watering too, because, like, I'm so mad. Also, let me know, I don't know why my eyes do this, but if I'm doing any sort of eye makeup, like, even just putting foundation over my eyes, my nose will start running. So when I was doing this eye makeup, like, that's why I usually do quick eye makeups, because my nose will run and I know my eyes will water too. But if I do any sort of thing on my eye, like even dust it with a light eyeshadow or something like that, like do like just like brown in the crease or whatever, my nose runs. And I don't know why. Like, I know I have weird sinuses. I get this thing a lot where I have clogged tear ducts, which make my nose really poofy right here, and then my eyes will just continually run. One time that happened during a dance recital, and like they usually happen for like, I don't know, this one was like 2 months of that, like literally just my eyes constantly running or watering. One time it happened during a dance recital, and it was during a ballet part, and where we had to like stand still for like a good like, I don't know, 6-7 minutes, because it was a whole song and we were kind of just like the background in that one. Like, there were just tears coming out of my eyes because my eyes wouldn't stop watering and I couldn't move, and so I just had to stand there, and I was in the front, so like the people in the front row could probably see tears coming out of my eyes and were probably like, oh my god, that poor girl. And like I wasn't like sad at all. Like, nothing was wrong. It's just like tears wouldn't stop coming out of my eyes. It was so weird. And like, I've had that happen before, but it was really embarrassing, kind of, honestly, that it was happening, and I knew people could see it, but they probably weren't really looking at me anyway, because I was just standing still. So, but if anybody looked at me ever, like, that's embarrassing. Let me know if anybody else has that issue and what they do to solve it, if anything. I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!